Okay, Donovan, we're going to go over subscriptions in the products. This is the way I handle subscriptions, and I want to add that I'm hoping that this hack that has allowed me to connect Magento to PHP BB and have a subscription service will be a temporary hack. Magento has um, on their plans to add a subscription, a reoccurring billing product to their system, which would be wonderful once they finally do that, but I don't see that coming anytime soon. So what I did was I used their existing features in order to achieve what you requested. When you click on a new product, you have different attribute sets, the default Magento attribute set, and then the subscription one that I created. Attribute sets are groupings of information surrounding a product. So a product has a title, it has a description, it has a price, it has all types of things that are unique or that are consistent with every single product. Every product has a SKU, every product has a title, every product has a description, every product should have an image. But there are unique attributes. For example, on a downloadable product, you need to have a file that actually is downloaded after it's purchased. So those attributes come in to play with the product types. Each of these product types has different groups of attributes. Now that are automatically bundled into the product type. But what I've done is I've gone and created a new set of attributes called subscription that give us everything that we need in order to tie a subscription to a product. And then when you choose, simple product is just exactly what it says. A group product is when you have multiple products on the products page. Maybe you have a computer and a computer monitor and a mouse, and the person can select different quantities of each, and it goes into the cart as one product, and all the pricing is taken care of. Configurable product, I used this product for t-shirts. It allowed me to configure blue and a medium shirt, and then it takes care of inventory based on those different properties of the product, and it's configurable. And on the actual product page, there are drop-down menus that allow you to select different configurable properties of the product, and it changes the pricing. Virtual product is one that doesn't get shipped, so when it goes through Magento checkout, it doesn't show you the shipping parts of the one-page checkout if you don't have anything in your cart that needs to be shipped. Virtual product is one way to have no shipping. Bundled product, that is similar to grouped product, except it's more like I haven't actually used it a lot, so I'm not going to try to explain that one. If you want to look into it more, you can. Downloadable product is if you want to do like ebooks and such. We're going to do simple for this example and click continue for the sole purpose of showing you how the subscription product works, how I managed to make this work. Okay, up here on the left are your different attributes and different attribute sets. There's the general, which contains the name or title, is what I was calling it. Description, short description, SKU, weight, etc. Reoccurring, actually with this simple product we probably should have chosen virtual for a subscription because it is a virtual product, but let's just continue forward for the sake of the example. Now checkout attribute, system checkout attributes. That's what I gave you an overview of previously. What this does is it connects these to the product to a specific attribute. You're only allowed to have one product in the database that's connected to Women's Happiness and one product that's connected to the university membership. So here is the Magento group ID that gets that someone gets upgraded to after they've purchased. So Magento has different groups. I've created a group which is group ID number 4, which is university enrolled students basically. And what this does is the number 4, the Magento group ID number 4 will, when they check out the first time, it'll show them the checkbox that's trying to upgrade them to the subscription. They purchase the subscription. The next time that they check out, you don't want them to see that checkbox again because they're already on the subscription. So I added this so that we can know that they've been upgraded. The next thing here is the iTransact trial recipe. This is the different free trial periods. You can do 7 days, 14 days, and 30 days. And iTransact after trial reoccurring recipe. You guys have university whatever that is in your system. I think it's 31 days. You could create other ones. We could add them here. Well, we could add them to the attributes using manage attributes, but I made it a drop down and there's only one option right now. Okay, now before we go any further, let's go ahead and go to a subscription product that I've already created. This women's virtual product is a subscription product, you can see. So is the university enrollment right here. You'll see under reoccurring, once this loads, the PHP BB group is set to 7. That's what you told me. The group ID that gets upgraded is 4. Okay, we go back. Oh, and the attribute is Women's Happiness that we looked at before. If we go back and look at the university enrollment, okay, you'll see the group 730, Magento group ID 4. These are pretty straightforward. This product is the one that will get used to, if we go to prices, $14.95. Whatever's set there, when this 7-day free trial is over and it starts into this reoccurring recipe from iTransact, the recipe is going to charge this price. Does that make sense? So the way that we start a subscription is we create a subscription product, or a product with a subscription attributes, and then we enter in all the recurring information, and then we make sure that it's connected to one of those checkout attributes so that somebody can check the box on their way out. Okay, that is the subscriptions, and I gave you an overview of attributes, gave you an overview of setting up a product with the PHP BB group and the Magento group ID, and I believe that is everything that I wanted to go over on this video. Let me know what questions you have.